In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to unmute the ringtone on your iPhone 15. Now I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you want to do is go to Settings. On the main settings page, go to Sounds and Haptics, tap on that, and then you should see the volume slider. Okay, so make sure it's not at the minimum, make sure you have some volume there. Okay, also make sure silent mode is not enabled, because if it's enabled like this, then it means your incoming calls, the ringtone will be silent. Okay, so make sure that is not in silent mode. All right, now a quicker way to disable silent mode is swiping down from the top right corner of your screen to the control center and turning the silent mode off. You can see it says silent mode off. When it's like that, it's in silent mode. That means silent mode is on, and like that is turning off silent mode so that the incoming calls can actually sound the ringtone. Now also, if you haven't remapped the action button on your iPhone 15, then you can long press on it to put on silent mode. That means your ringtone will be muted. To unmute the ringtone, long press to put it on ring. That means unmuting the or turning off silent mode. Okay, that's for people who have not yet remapped the action button. And that's really it. Now I'll show you one extra tip. If you want to be able to adjust the volume of your ringtone without going into settings, then you first have to go into settings. The first time, go to Sounds and Haptics, and then you should see Change with Buttons. So this is the sound or the volume level for ringtone and alerts. So if you allow your iPhone to change with buttons, then that means you can change the volume of the ringtone using buttons, as you can see. So to reduce and to increase. Okay, of course, increasing the volume from 0 to any other value will unmute the ringtone for your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.